Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the time words already, yet, just, and before. Okay, to start with, the only thing we have to understand about these four is that they are time words. They show us when something happened, and they show us that something happened before the moment of speaking. Okay? And we use them with present perfect. So if we use them with present perfect, that means that we need to have or has. Okay, and then the past participle of the verb. If we don't know the past participle of an irregular verb, we will check the workbook, page 135. Let's start with the first one. Already, we use it when we want to show that we are surprised that something happened sooner than we thought or we expected. And we can put it between have and the past participle, in this example, eaten, which is the past participle of the verb eat. So we can put it in the middle, like you've already eaten, or you can put it at the end. You've eaten already. Both of them are correct. And what does this show us, this time word already? It shows us that we are shocked, surprised. What does surprised mean? Shocked, right? We are shocked that something happened sooner or before we thought it would happen, okay? So in this example, in this instance, we use the word already, okay? Let's go to yet. Yet, we use it at the end of the sentence, okay? Same with before. We use it at the end of the sentence, but yet we use it with negative sentences and questions. So every time you have a question, you will use yet. For example, if you want to ask a question, you will say have or has, then the subject you, then the past participle been, and then the rest of your sentence. So for example, have you been to Turkey yet? As you can see, yet is at the end of the question. And if you want to answer in a negative way, you can say, I haven't been to Turkey yet. Yet is also at the end of the sentence, okay? And this is, when do we use yet? When it's something that we expect we will do. We haven't done it until this moment, until now, but we think we will do it, okay? So this is the difference between yet and before, because both of them you use them at the end of the sentence, but yet is something that you haven't done until now, but you think you will do it. In this example, you use yet. Before, we also put it at the end of the sentence, but we use it just to show that we haven't done something until now. And we don't know if we want to do it. We don't know if we will do it. Okay? This is the difference between before and yet. Yet, you didn't do it until now, but you think you will do it. Before, you just want to show that you didn't do it until now. For example, I haven't, also negative, I haven't seen her before. You just want to show that it's something that it didn't happen until now. But if, for example, you say, I haven't been to Turkey yet, that means that you didn't do it until this moment, but you think you will do it sometime in the future. Okay? And the last one, just. Where do we put it? Between have or has, okay, and the past participle. So just will always be between these two, okay, have or has and past participle. So for example, I have just eaten. What does this mean? That it just happened a few moments ago, very close to the moment of speaking, okay? And the last thing to mention about all these four time words, already, yet, just, before, is that we use them with present perfect, okay? Remember this when you have your exam. If you see these four time words, you should use them with present perfect. Thank you.